Okay, this is how we're going to do our project. We're going to open up, file open, and I'm going to use one of these examples from my student. I thought this would be a good one because you could show how to take a busy background and make it plain. Okay, so we're going to unlock the background so we can double click it. And then I think I'll just duplicate the layer here in case I mess up. So I'll turn the eyeball off of this one, the bottom one, and I'm clicked on the one I'm working on. I'm gonna use this lasso tool. You hold it down, and then once you come into a circle, you put delete. So that's one way of, look, we can zoom in. I'm zooming in really close, hold on, that's a little too much. Back up. Okay, oops, I did it again. I'm not used to using this. I usually just do Command minus, Command plus, and for Cameo, it's probably Control plus and Control minus. Also, look, you can use your eraser. You can right click on it, and you can you can change the flow so it erases really. This is the hardness too. So see how smooth that edge is versus if you have the hardness all the way up to 100%, it's more of a straight line there. So it's kind of nice to have a little smooth edge when you're doing it. That's one way of doing it, or you can use your lasso tool, hold it down, make a circle. So there's a lot of ways to do it. We can use a masking tool as well. But what we're just trying to do is, here's the polygonal lasso tool, where you hold it down and it literally does a straight line for you. And then you just have to go and make a circle selection. Oops, so if that happens, you can just say reselect and then delete the area. I kind of like this one because, you know, you can kind of get a lot done, but it is a very straight line edge, which can look fake, so you have to be careful. So the goal is to get rid of the background, right? Get rid of all the background, but you want it to look seamless. Another cool tool is this magic wand. If it's just one color, you can select using a tolerance. Like if I do a smaller tolerance, it'll just click, see it clicks, let's see if I do like 20, how much white is it gonna grab? See, you grabbed all of it. But you have to be careful because I don't want to cut her hand off. We need that right there. So I'll first cut this off, or I'll cut this out so that it doesn't grab her hand there. And then I can use the magic wand. Oh, it's doing it again. So I'm going to go back to the tolerance and just do like 5 again. Let's see what that does. See, it didn't grab it. Good. It was like skipping in there. That can be so helpful when you want to delete like the same color, but it's not very helpful when you don't have a lot of the same color. So I'm doing this and I'm kind of far away. Here, I'll do this right here, get the spot. But it's a lot easier to just take a picture with a clear background if we're trying to do this. But I'm just trying to take the background out, and then I'm going to put words in. Kind of like that, the example of that, there's a guy. I'll show you. I should have showed you the example first, but anyway, there's a lot of reasons why you want to take a background out of something to combine layers. So it's really cool to learn how to do this. This is definitely takes a lot of practice, and you have to be kind to yourself in the process. And so many times I've tried to select too much stuff and then I've lost it, and then you have to start over. And if you're in Cameo, you have to know that you know, could stop working at any time. So you kind of want to save your work a lot with that. Just go to, so I almost cut off her arm there. Try it again. And you don't want it to look all, you know, okay, look at that just happened to me. So I'm gonna have to go select, or back, undo, and then reselect. Here we go. All right. So you see what I'm doing. You can keep on, if you have a selection made to, always go back to your move tool. I'm going to crop this image, I think, to be like 8 by 10. And I can get a new crop. Maybe I'll cut something like that and give her something like that. I don't know, because then I can write a word up here. You have to decide, like, how much hair do you want her to have? It just looks kind of fake to me, that hair like that right there. It just looks weird. So I'm going to crop that out. And I'm going to put a background. So I'm going to grab, we used this before, so we're kind of going back to what we did before, where you can make a rectangle and put it behind with my layers. Right? So we did this already. Another way to do that is to just create a new layer. And then you could also just take a paintbrush and you could paint your background in like that. That's another way of doing it. It's kind of cool. And then we're going to write a word like photography, or maybe put your name and photographer, something cool. Okay, so let's just write photography. Let's see. So I just got a text box. Right now it's going to be yellow on yellow, and that's not going to work. So I have to double click this and make a different color. And my text is way too small, so I'm going to make my text big, 200. Okay, let's try this. Whoa. Okay, I know I thought I made it bigger, but it didn't. Let's try that again. Photography. Let's see. Let's start with my font. How about photo 1? You could put like photo 1 in your name, or photographer. Okay, so now this. I think a lot of you stopped here with your meme. I think you forgot to go over here and right click and say convert to shape. If you convert it to a shape, now I can edit it like a shape. So I can go to edit, free transform, and I can do this rather than just sizing it one way. See how much more fun that is? And if I put it, I could put it under. So her shape of her, she is hiding that. That looks cool. That looks really cool. I love that. So see, photo 1, I don't know, or I could put it on top of her if I go that way. I could put it here, photo 1. And let's see, should I move her up? Do like Command T. No, that looks weird. Okay, never mind. Maybe photo 1 should be in yellow like it was before. Oh, I can't now. I don't think I can change it. Let's see if I can double click this and change the color. Let's go to color, overlay. Oh, and let me click in there. Let me see if I can get that yellow. Oh, I can. Look at that. Well, that's cool. Now the edge of her hair still looks a little, like it looks a little too strong. Like the edge is not. Maybe I'll just make the picture black and white. Image, adjustments, black and white. Let's see. What happened to my black and white? What did happen? Image adjustment, black and white. Okay. There it is. Okay. Cool. What if I double click? What if I duplicate her, this one, and this one in front, I'll make it bigger, Command T, make it a little bit bigger. And what if I selected it? Just select all around her though, like it's a shape. Okay, wait, what if we go image, adjustment, levels, and make that one really, really dark. Okay, so then put it behind. See what I mean? You see, or I could have made it white around there too. I could have done white behind it. So watch, I could do the same thing, duplicate that. And I can select it. And I can go image, adjustment levels. And I guess I could have on the other one, but how about I paint this one a color? What if I paint it like this? Does that look cool? I don't know. Deselect. So I have this one and the black one. So I could make this one a little bit bigger. I guess I just had to put it behind the black one though. So, or put this one here. See? Isn't that cool? I don't know. Or we could do blending modes on it. What does that look like? Let's see, blending mode. Look at that. Doesn't really do a lot. Luminosity. It's cool. Okay. What if we do a blending mode on her, on that layer? No, because of the black. It's if I have the black on and I do these blending modes, they look like that. But it burns too much in the. I just like it normal. That's kind of fun. I don't know. Play around with it. Okay, so I like it. Should we could do maybe more of these. Maybe I'll do another one. Duplicate the layer. Put it right there. Oh, has to go under, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. I should have duplicated the black one. Duplicate. And what's going on? I lost my blue one. Let's try one with her. I'll duplicate her. Make it image adjustment. I'm gonna make this one white. Go like this, the levels. And then make it a little bigger. So go to edit, free transform. Just pull it out a little. And then put that underneath. Right. It gets confusing of what is on top of what. That looks cool. Okay, that looks weird. Where's all the yellow ones? Oh well. Okay, so now we save it. If you're saving it for Cameo, you go File, Export, and then Export As. And it looks like this. It's gonna pop up. And it gives you a chance to, it says JPEG right here. Well, mine says PNG, but I'm gonna change it to JPEG. And then I would say export. Let's try it. And then I save it again. I'm gonna name it. Self-portrait. Creative self-portrait. Now it says JPEG, save as, save. And it should have saved. Let's see, let's double check. Always double check where it's saved. Desktop. Did I save it to my desktop or my downloads? There it is. Yay, so cute. Okay, you try.